Today we're doing a little bit of a mini bedroom makeover because I have a little DIY project that I've been meaning to do since August, I think. We'll get to that in a moment. And then I'm also going to be doing a bit of a deep clean because I do really need to do it in here. I need to go through all of my drawers and refold all of my washing, maybe do a little bit of a declutter of items that just aren't working for me. But I thought today I would focus on my bedroom, clean, organize, and also do a little bit of a makeover, as I said. So I'm gonna throw my hair up and get it out of my face and get into the DIY. This is my chest of drawers. As you can see, I definitely need to get in and redo the drawers and tidy this all up. This is my little DIY project. So, oh no. As I was saying, this is my little DIY project, and I have these gold T-bar handles that I got off Etsy. I will try and link them in the description. And I'm going to be replacing the standard black IKEA handles with these gorgeous T-bar ones. I purchased these in August. They didn't arrive until like the beginning of October, and now it's January and I'm finally doing it. Yes, I don't know why. But all of the handles are in here, which actually reminds me that there's two other handles that are meant for my bedside table as well. So these ones here are meant for my bedside table as well. I absolutely love this sort of tan color. It's pretty similar to my bag, and as you can tell, I have a lot of these really warm brownie tones in here. I also mentioned on Instagram the other day that I wanted to restyle this rack because it has been a lot of really beautiful brown tones, but I want to get in and make it a different color, maybe green, blue, or black, depending on how I feel. But we're going to change this up and make that really cute as well. First two handles on the top drawer are done. I'm so excited. All right, let's get in and do the rest. And we're done. I think it looks amazing. I'm so excited. Although, to be honest, now I feel like I would maybe have gone for black T-bar handles instead of the gold ones, but I still really like it and I think it's awesome. So I'm gonna do the bedside table as well now. The funny thing about my bedside table is that this screw actually was lost in my move, and so I've just used like the wrong size screw for now. So it'll be nice to actually have a handle that stays on properly. So yay, and I think it will look so much better than these silver handles. I don't think the silver ones are very nice, to be honest. I took the screw out of the top handle and we have a problem. These screws are significantly shorter than the ones that I got with the handles, so I'm gonna have to go to Bunnings and try and get another one this size. I'm gonna put the top handle on for now, but I will have to unscrew it and take it back to make sure I get the right one. So let's do that. I love the way that it looks. This is also like a faux leather type fabric in the center here that I just think looks really good. Top drawer works perfectly. As you can see, the bottom screw is just a little bit too long, so I will need to get another one, but for now I think it looks really good. Okay, now it is time to tidy up the rest of my room. I need to make my bed, get rid of this suitcase into the front cupboard, fold all of the clothes in these drawers, style up this rack, clean this off, and just a whole bunch of other stuff that I need to do. For now, I take it out of the basket. It actually does fit on the little ledge here, which I think looks really good, and then hopefully I can get a hook or something to pop him up there. But for now, I think it looks really good there. It's got more room to grow and it frees up the space on my dresser. I just remembered I had a spare little thing, I don't know what you call it, the tray at the bottom of pots, and I think I might just leave it like that and maybe put this basket somewhere else potentially, because even though you can sort of see the grey pot through the leaves, it's not too bad, and I quite like it. I have a few other pieces to play with in terms of decor. I got these items from the bookshelf at the front because I've created a bit of a packing station for my planners out there. I also have this from the living room, and then I took this off my desk because I might be able to replace it with my YouTube play button, and I just thought maybe if I rearrange some of this stuff, I might be able to create like a cute little section in here as well. So what's going on over this side is very different to what's going on over this side, and because I'm going to change the rack up for a little bit, I might shift away from this sort of more boho vibe and make it match this side a little bit, and then when I get sick of it, I can change it again. I'm I'm not exactly loving it. I think I'm gonna leave it and just move on to doing this clothing rack and then maybe come back to this. Okay, so if you can't tell, I like the color sage. I actually have like a lot of pieces in this sage color. What have we got? We got a blazer from Kikki, bodysuit from Kikki, Zara, Target, Kikki, Showpo, Kikki, Chic, the Iconic, and Kikki. Most of my wardrobe is actually from Kikki. It's like one of my favorite stores because their stuff is just is such good quality. Green, white, and black, but I just have too much on this rack, I think. I need to cut it down a little bit. I took a break, I had a snack, and now I'm back, and this is the state of my bedroom. I've got the beautiful afternoon sun. I'm actually very lucky in this apartment. I get both morning and afternoon sun because of the angle of this bedroom, which is really awesome. So I think I'm gonna have to do what I always do when I start big creative projects, and that is start it and then finish it another day. And by another day, I mean tomorrow. Because I'm not gonna leave my room like this for too long, but I just need to come back to it with like a fresh mind. So I'm going to get back to this tomorrow. It's the next day and I've had a little bit of time to think about it. Something that I actually don't like is see how in this photo frame here, because it's got the glass on it, it reflects my windows. So having that in the background for filming is not really going to work, but I do quite like the frame. So I'm thinking I might just take the glass out of it so you'll be able to just see the image and you won't just see the white from the windows. But I am, again, gonna throw my hair up in a bun and get back into finishing off this room because I need to get it done. It kind of irritated me sleeping in here last night. Well, it was kind of a little bit messy. Let's just recap where we were yesterday. This is what my dresser looks like at the moment. Now that I've like, you know, come back to it, I actually don't think it's so bad, but I will take the glass out of this photo frame so it won't have the reflection. And then I actually don't mind the rack. It's black and green and white. I actually quite like it, so I think I'm gonna leave that as well. And like I said, I can just change it whenever I want to. But yeah, let's get the glass out of here and finish this up. Really like the trend of where people put hats on the wall, but I can't tell if it looks good or not because you guys are back further than I am. So does it look good? I guess I'll find out when I'm editing this footage, or I'll just go and look at my camera in a second. Maybe I should get some like 3M hooks and do this because it is kind of cool. Although I don't know if I like these two hats together because one's very summery and one's like a little more fall-ish, but I don't know. We'll see. I found an old 3M hook and I hung up my hat, which is really cool. I also found this mirror that I got from H&M ages ago and I love it, but I don't know if it's like too much roundness on the wall. Plus it has the reflection thing, which is kind of annoying for filming. So I might leave that because I think it looks better without the mirror, and I'm not sure if I should put the other hat on the wall and up a little bit higher, but I really like it so far. I think it's looking really, really good. Now I have to deal with this thing and then this stuff in the corner and then my bedside table. I feel like I'm mostly done over here. I actually really quite like how it's all come together. With my little plant in the corner, I have my little Kmart ottoman down there, my bedside table. I do just need to make my bed, so I'm gonna jump in and do that. I feel like my bed might look a little ridiculous. I've got 2 European pillows at the back, and I will have this bedspread listed in the description as well. Then I have 2 plain pillows. Then these 2 pillows, I swapped out this case for this beautiful sage green satin pillowcase because it's better for your hair. So I don't really know how to style it, but I guess this will do. And then I have this cushion from Target, and you know what would look really good in here? Like a dark green velvet cushion, and I feel like the best place for me to get that is H&M. So my makeover is done, and I'm loving all of the green. I'm very happy with how it turned out actually, but now I need to get in and refold and organize all of my clothes. Okay, so I'm making some progress and I've created a little bit of a system here that I will explain. So my second drawer is pajamas, jumpers and hoodies, and then gym clothes, and I've only just added a whole bunch of stuff to this drawer. Like this is new, that's new, the shorts down the bottom there are new. So this drawer has always been pretty empty, and I decided it was time to start utilizing this space because this top drawer was overflowing. So the system that I have created is I have t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, and then like tank tops, singlet tops, and then this bottom row is my super, actually no, that's wrong. This has to switch around. This one, we'll quickly change these two away. So bottom row is all of my super casual stuff, like my t-shirts that are not the type of t-shirts I would wear out somewhere nice. It's the stuff that I tend to wear day to day. And I feel like because I wear a lot of leggings, like, you know, exhibit A, exactly what I'm wearing right now is a t-shirt and some leggings. I think these ones can go into the second drawer, and then I will leave my nice t-shirts, my nice long sleeve shirts, and my nice tank tops up in the top drawer. So that's my organizational system. Okay, I'm all organized, it's all neat. I've got a couple of sweaters in this corner. I only have 4 in here because I don't really have many sweaters because they're all in Canada. And then I have nice tops, like bralettes and stuff that I can wear under slightly more sheer tops, or like even just like t-shirt bra kind of things. My good t-shirts, good tank tops, and then good long sleeve shirts. So that's all done. And I think the middle drawer is all done now as well. I just need to refold and organize the bottom drawer. Okay, that drawer is now also done as well. That actually feels so much better. Having that done, I have these pair of pants, which are from Kikki. These are gonna be hung up because they're just a little bit too nice to fold up. I just took the tag off another thing that I got. It's like a long sleeve shirt. They had like 50% off, which was amazing. And then these tops I'm actually gonna get rid of. I bought these in the middle of the year from Supre, and like sometimes I fit an extra small, sometimes I don't, and these ones are just a little bit too small. So I'm going to put these into a bag to donate because they're really cute, but they just don't really fit me. And then I don't really want to talk about it, but but like I have clothes on the floor down there, and then my cupboard is just like a disaster. So I don't want to do this bit, but I really have to. I have organized my wardrobe, and it honestly doesn't even look any better, but it is organized, I promise. The really annoying thing about this wardrobe is that neither side has a long hanging section. It's all just short, so it's this rail that runs across the whole thing, and then the rail up the top as well, which is just so annoying. So I have nowhere to hang long items, and if I have them hanging on the ground, they get like all wrinkled and crumpled at the bottom. So I just have these super long pants. I have like a, what is this called? It's a bodysuit, jumpsuit, something like that. And then I have a couple of coats and cardigans. Underneath that, it is actually all organized and color coordinated. It's just all the same stuff, but I just color coordinated it and it looks so much better. And then just above that, I have a couple of bags and things like that. And then at the very bottom, I organized my shoes, kind of color coded those a little bit as well. And it just, yeah, it's organized. It doesn't look organized, but it is. And then in the other side, there's not a lot in here. There's just a couple of boxes, bag things. I think that might have swimwear in it. I have a hair scarf, an empty shelf, some bags, things up the top, and then my suitcase in here as well. So that's pretty much my wardrobe. Okay, so I am pretty much done, and I am very, very excited about this. So I've got my bed, my bedside table, a new place for my little plant dude, and then I have my dresser with my new handles, which I love, and then I have my clothing rack that I decided to do green, black, and white, and then I've got some brown accessories down the bottom because I feel like those brown pieces tie in with the brand candle, which is also with the ottoman, and then also this cushion. So that's kind of why I've got those down there. And then I also did this cupboard, which I can close and hide away all the mess, except for the little bits that hang out the side because there's just no room for the clothes. But anyway, I'm gonna vacuum, and then I think I'm pretty much done. which is awesome because it's really hot today and it's not a good day to be moving stuff around the house, but it's done and it feels so fresh and clean in here, and I'm really quite happy with the coloring and the background and everything. And I just realized I have one more pair of jeans to put away. These are my absolute favorite pair of jeans. I just ordered them in black and hoping they arrive this week because they're so comfortable. I will try and have all of my clothes, well, maybe not all of my clothes because some of them are a few years old, but I'll try and have some of my clothes listed in the description. I'll definitely have these jeans down there. I will leave links to these handles, like sunglasses. I'll try and leave links to things that are similar that I can find, clothing rack, jewelry holder, books, all that sort of stuff. I will try and do my best to link as much stuff as possible, but I can definitely do this bedding and that green pillowcase, even though it looks like it needs an iron, but it's doing wonders for my hair. But yeah, so that is my room makeover. I hope you guys have enjoyed my little room makeover, clean, organize with me, and I've done a kind of a little tour, sort of. I'll have things listed in the description, but you can kind of see what I have done. I hope you've enjoyed. Up the top, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I will leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.